Welcome Yogi. Today we're going to be talking about Surya Mudra. If you haven't done already, please subscribe right now to my channel for more yoga videos, classes, asana tips and meditations. Surya Mudra. Surya means sun, and Mudra means hand gesture. This is also sometimes known as Agni Mudra, and Agni is like your internal fire, your inner fire in yoga. So to do this mudra, you'll place your ring finger, the tip of your ring finger, at the base of your thumb. It just comes across your hand and rests there lightly. The rest of your fingers are lightly extended, and your thumb comes across to rest on top of your ring finger. You can do this in both hands at once, or just one hand at a time, in asana or in meditation. What this is doing is the ring finger, the tip of the ring finger, is pressing at the base of the thumb, which is the root of your creative power and your drive in life. Your ring finger is being depressed lightly by your thumb. The ring finger is your earth element, so this is reducing your earth element, that tamasic nature of stuckness, heaviness, and earth. The thumb, which is your fire element, is doing that depressing. So your thumb being the fire element, this is action and energy and doing. You'll do this mudra with both hands or with one hand to increase your fire energy, your positive transformation in life. It's believed to improve metabolism, boost your metabolism, and increase your intuition. You do it any time that you need a bit of an energy boost. You can do this, like I said, when you're in asana or meditation, when you're feeling stuck. If you're feeling difficulty in moving forwards in life with a project or action, you could do it before you have a busy day so that you've got the energy to move through it. Anytime you need to get energized and moving, this is a mudra for you. And you could even use it as a midday pick-me-up halfway through the day. If you wanted to double up with this mudra, you could practice this mudra at the same time as Surya Badan. So one hand would rest in the mudra, while in Surya Badan, your sun-piercing breath, you would be manipulating the nostrils with your other hand. And that would double up this fire energy, as Surya Badan is the sun-piercing breath. There are a few times I would avoid this practice. I live in Texas and it's hot, so I never practice this in the middle of the summer, as we don't really need more fire energy when it's already hot around us. Similarly, if you're kind of hot and flushed and bothered, you don't necessarily want to add more heat to that feeling. If you are dehydrated, you would want to avoid this practice, and also it's not one really for when you're about to go to bed, as you're not looking to energize and boost right before you want to get to sleep and relax. So I hope that helps you to understand how, when, why you would use Surya Mudra. If you need something energizing but perhaps a little bit less fiery, why not check out the Pranayama Mudra video? The link's above right now. Thank you for joining me today. Namaste.